The human brain regulates your body's basic functions, and a man who used to work in the tobacco industry now spreads the word about the brain as it relates to the science of drug addiction. Monty Bowen has details in this week's Health Report.
In 1980, Victor DeNoble was recruited by the Philip Morris Research Center to develop a cigarette with reduced heart risk. He eventually went on to testify before Congress that nicotine had properties similar to addictive drugs. His testimony caused sweeping changes in public policy on tobacco. Now, he speaks to a wide range of audiences about the science of drug addiction. He spoke to students at Lathrop High School in Fairbanks this week.
We're educating. We're here talking about drug addiction and brain changes. A lot of kids know about drug addiction, but they don't really understand what happens to their brain.
Many people don't understand why or how other people become addicted to drugs.
Drug addiction is a personal choice. Nobody addicts you. You actually addict yourself. You actually give that drug to yourself. And that's an interesting because it's actually a self-inflicted disease.
Right now, there are arguments over the dangers of electronic or e-cigarettes.
In the e-cigarette vapors, there's also other chemicals that have been known to cause cancer. Formaldehyde's one good example. There's acetaldehyde, there's chromium. So people don't think, they think it looks different and it smells different, therefore it must be chemically different, but that's not necessarily true.
In his travels across the country, Dr. DeNoble wants to get one main point across.
It's their choice. I'm not here to make them choose. It is your choice. You will either addict yourself or you will not addict yourself. Nobody is immune. What they don't understand is that we're born with an area of the brain that gets addicted to drugs. Once a drug is in our blood, anybody's brain can be addicted to a drug.
More information on the subject can be found online at victordenoble.com. This is Monty Bowen reporting.
The Health Report is brought to you by the Ear, Nose, and Throat Clinic, located in the Medical Dental Arts Building, and by Interior Women's Health, located on 1626 30th Avenue.